This is the factory Harman Kardon amp from your BMW. You know what? It sucks. But now, Alpha One by BeamerTech has a solution. Introducing the new variant of our Alpha One amplifier for late model BMWs with MGU head units and Harman Kardon sound systems. By now, you've come to know and love our Alpha One amplifier. But one thing has been slowing us down: BMWs with Harman Kardon systems. But not anymore. Introducing the new variation of our Alpha One amplifier, specifically compatible for BMWs powered by Harman Kardon. This amp is specifically tailored for late model BMWs with the Harman Kardon sound system option code S688A. It features 2 extra speaker outputs for a total of 10, compared to the normal 8 on our amps for other model BMWs. This amp has a combined max output of 1,680 watts compared to the factory amp's 464 watts. Currently, this amp is compatible with BMWs with iDrive 7 and 8, but we're always working on expanding the range of supported cars. Installation is the same great plug-and-play you've come to know with Alpha One amplifiers, and we're continuously working on developing custom mounting brackets for more model BMWs to make installation a breeze. This amp, like all Alpha One amps, comes pre-tuned from the factory for your specific BMW and for the music you prefer. To get this amp for your BMW, head on over to our website and enter your VIN to get the compatible amp for you. To get the best sound possible, you're going to want to pick up a set of Alpha One speakers as well. To learn more about all of these products, check out our website, link in the description. Stop listening to trash. Pick up an Alpha One amplifier today. For more tips and tricks, product reviews, installations, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.